Have you noticed something strange lately? The jobs that used to be considered safe are suddenly being automated. Customer service, data entry, basic coding, marketing, even some white-collar office jobs. And here's the scary part. Most people think AI is a future problem. It's not. It's happening right now. So the question isn't whether the AI economy is coming. The question is, will you be prepared when it arrives? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to survive the AI economy, protect your income, and position yourself to thrive, even if your current job is at risk. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the AI economy. We'll cover which jobs are most vulnerable, which skills are becoming more valuable, how to AI-proof your career, and the financial moves you should make today. Because the people who adapt early often benefit the most. Let's get into it. Most people think AI will replace humans. That's not exactly what's happening. A more accurate way to think about it is this. AI doesn't replace jobs. It replaces tasks. Imagine your job is like a pizza. AI might automate a few slices. Maybe it handles scheduling. Maybe it writes first drafts. Maybe it answers common customer questions. But the entire pizza? Not necessarily. The problem starts when enough slices disappear. At some point, companies realize they need fewer workers. And that's where job displacement happens. Here's the key insight. People who learn to work alongside AI often become more productive. People who ignore AI risk falling behind. Think about this for a second. If AI could do 30% of your current job tomorrow, what would you spend your time doing instead? Because that's the future employers are already planning for. Let's be realistic. Not every job faces the same level of disruption. Generally speaking, jobs involving repetitive digital tasks are most vulnerable. Basic administrative work, routine data processing, simple content creation, entry-level analysis, standard customer support. Now here's the good news. Jobs requiring human judgment tend to be much harder to automate. Things like leadership, negotiation, relationship building, sales, strategic thinking, complex problem solving. Think about it this way. A calculator didn't eliminate accountants. It changed what accountants do. The internet didn't eliminate businesses. It changed how businesses operate. AI may follow a similar pattern. The winners won't necessarily be the smartest people. They'll be the fastest adapters. In the old economy, having one skill could sustain a career for decades. In the AI economy, that's becoming dangerous. Today, the most valuable workers are becoming skill stacks. Instead of being great at one thing, they're good at multiple complementary things. For example, Person A knows graphic design. Person B knows graphic design, AI tools, marketing, and social media strategy. Who gets hired first? Exactly. The future belongs to people who combine human skills with AI tools, not people who compete against AI. This is a massive mindset shift. You're no longer trying to outperform the machine. You're learning how to use the machine better than everyone else. But there's another problem most people aren't talking about. Even if your career survives AI, your finances might not. Because economic transitions create winners and losers. And the next financial move we're about to discuss could determine which side you end up on. Let's talk money. Because surviving the AI economy isn't just about careers. It's about financial resilience. Rule number 1. Never depend on a single source of income. One paycheck means one point of failure. The goal isn't necessarily 7 income streams. The goal is multiple options. A full-time job, freelance work, dividend investments, an online business, digital products, consulting. The more options you have, the more secure you become. Rule number 2. Build a stronger emergency fund. Having cash reserves buys you time. Time to learn. Time to pivot. Time to find opportunities. Rule number 3. Keep investing. Economic revolutions create volatility. But historically, innovation has also created enormous wealth. People who stay invested often benefit from long-term growth. Now let's talk about how to AI-proof your career starting today. Step 1. Learn one AI tool this week. Not next month. This week. Become familiar with what's available. Step 2. Ask yourself, what part of my job could AI help me do faster? That's where opportunity lives. Step 3. Invest in human skills. Communication, leadership, critical thinking, persuasion. These skills become more valuable as technology becomes more common. Step 4. Build your personal brand. People trust people. A machine can generate content, but trust still belongs to humans. And perhaps most importantly, become a lifelong learner. Because the future isn't being built once. It's being rebuilt continuously. So here's the bottom line. The AI economy isn't something to fear. It's something to prepare for. Remember this. AI replaces tasks more than entire jobs. Skill stacking creates opportunity. Multiple income streams increase security. Human skills remain incredibly valuable, and adaptability may become the most important career skill of all. The people who thrive in the next decade won't necessarily be the most talented. They'll be the most adaptable. And as always, a quick reminder, I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes only. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions. Do you think AI will create more jobs than it destroys? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.